To use the feature of MES editor, firstly, in your billing and usage in admin, under user management, you will have to edit your access. Let's say I'm editing the access of this particular user here. The user would require to have MES editor access along with being a MES user as well. So once you update this particular access, you can go into your MES portal. For any project where the work order is already created, you can go into the modeler unit section and select any cabinet that you want to preview. As you can see here, this particular cabinet C1 base 1 shutter is shown, and the 3D view of it here along with all the panel details are also shown here. When you select the edit unit option, the MES editor window opens up and you can view the cabinet at a component level. As you can see, this is the MES editor view, and if you select the cabinet, you can make any modifications to the cabinet in your properties tab here. The most important of which are your construction options. In case you want to change any construction option here, you can see you can turn off the visibility of any panel or change the construction to rails or change the construction of the edges as per your requirement. The interface of the MES editor is very similar to the design panel. Let's say, for example, I select the right panel of this cabinet and go into the panel level and I create an extension here. I'm opening the extension parameters here, and in this towards the back I'm creating an extension of 300 mm. So as you can see, this panel now is extended by 300 mm. All changes in this portal will be auto saved, and once you have made any modification that you want, you can close this particular tab and go into your MES mode. Herein now let me refresh my MES portal once. So now that I have refreshed my MES portal, I can click on the same cabinet, and in the 3D view you can see that the extension that I had created has been taken. If I select this panel, then all the details of the panel are also shown, and herein we can see that the finished dimensions are modified as per the change that we had made in the MES editor. Any modification we are making at the MES editor will be applicable for this particular work order only, and once all modifications are done, you can go ahead and verify your unit and enable it for manufacturing. All outputs that are generated will have the modifications that we have made in MES editor also factored in.